In a world filled with modern marvels, it's easy to overlook the incredible technologies of our ancient ancestors. Join us as we take a journey back in time to discover 5 astonishing examples of ancient technology that shaped the course of human history. Our first stop brings us to the magnificent city of Rome, where the awe-inspiring Colosseum stands tall. This architectural wonder, built over 2,000 years ago, showcases the ingenuity of the Romans who mastered the art of concrete. Their secret? Adding volcanic ash to the mix, resulting in a strong and durable material still admired today. Next, we travel to ancient Greece, where the ingenious minds devised a remarkable system of aqueducts. With these remarkable structures, the Greeks successfully transported water across vast distances, fueling their flourishing cities and facilitating their advanced civilization. Our journey then takes us to ancient China, where we encounter the abacus, an early computing device used for complex calculations. This ingenious tool, consisting of sliding beads on rods, was a precursor to the modern computer, enabling the Chinese to make intricate mathematical calculations with astonishing precision. As we move forward in time, we find ourselves in ancient Egypt, where timekeeping took on a whole new dimension. The ancient Egyptians developed the first known mechanical clock, called the water clock. This incredible invention used flowing water to measure the passage of time, a concept that would shape the development of clocks for centuries to come. Finally, we arrive in ancient Greece once more, where the astrolabe reigns supreme. This intricate instrument allowed astronomers to navigate the night sky, measure celestial distances, and even predict astronomical events. Its complexity and accuracy paved the way for future discoveries in the field of astronomy. As we conclude our journey through time, we are reminded of the remarkable feats achieved by our ancient forebears. These incredible technologies continue to inspire and amaze us, revealing that ingenuity and innovation have always been part of the human story. Join us next time as we explore more technology that has or will shape our future.